Hello everybody and welcome to the Ship Modelers Library. Today I'd like to introduce a book about 18th century shipbuilding by Blaise Olliver, Remarks on the Navies of the English and the Dutch, 1737, edited and translated by David H. Roberts. Blaise Olliver was the most distinguished French shipwright of his age. He designed the first true frigate, which was imitated by the navies of all the maritime powers. Master shipwright at Brest was ordered by Maurepas, the French Minister of the Navy, to go to England and Holland in order to find out everything possible about how ships were built there and what France might usefully imitate. Olliver's secret mission lasted nearly 5 months, during which time he visited all the major naval dockyards of both countries, except Plymouth. At the conclusion, he wrote a 360-page report, discussing everything he had seen in meticulous detail, evaluating English and Dutch practices, and comparing them with techniques used in France, illustrating his findings in 13 sheets of drawings and plans. This book contains the full text of the remarks in both the original French and in translation, fully annotated and with lengthy explanatory introduction. It is illustrated with nearly 100 contemporary engravings, plans, ship's drafts, and other iconographic material. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.